I didn't upload something for a while, but today I want to show you this beautiful Tellus pocket watch. It's in very good shape. Excuse my hands please, it's from the resin. As you can see, it's an Art Deco pocket watch. Those numeral markers are made with radium, so we must be careful when we handle it because it's radioactive. It's quite radioactive. We need to keep it not in our room, because in time that will affect us. So what can I tell you? When you open the crystal, be careful. Open it in plain air, because with time inside so between the glass and the dial, it accumulates a gas called radon, which is very radioactive and you can inhale it. So be careful. Don't open this watch when you're in your kitchen or on the table where you eat, because you can spread a lot of particles. So the radium, it's very radioactive element. So other than that, this watch is very beautiful. It's in working condition. It's a Tellus Art. It has 15 centimeter in diameter. It has a cool case in very good shape, as you can excuse me, in very good shape. Just slips from my hand. The crown, it's also in very good very good state. Has some patina. So guys, this is the watch for today. Inside it has a Tellus caliber. Hope I can open it. So this is the watch. Has a Tellus caliber inside. 519R Tellus. It's in working condition. And the balance pins. It's a nickel chrome case. Very nice pocket watch. Hope you like it. I'll let you to see some photos, some images with this watch. This is what can I say about this caliber? It's a very common Tellus caliber. One can often find them on Tellus pocket watches, on Corteber pocket watches. So this is the movement. Now I want to show you. I want to take some images for you to enjoy the beauty of this pocket watch. Take a close look. Nice shape of the watch. Very nice one. Beautiful dial. Beautiful hands. As you can see, the radium coating of the minute hand is gone. In the back of the watch, very nice case with some patina. This is the movement. It needs a good service. Beautiful little watch, not so little. I tell that it has 5 centimeters in diameter without the crown. Oh, now it's working. As I mentioned before, it needs a service. Very reliable movement overall, and very nice, very beautiful, I can say. So, okay folks, this was the watch. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe is free. And please let a comment. This is the watch for today. I hope you like it. It's a very beautiful Tellus they made. Very nice, very beautiful pocket watches. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.